Tool management is one of the biggest issues that fabricators face when running CNC machines. We are here at Blasius today to showcase off the new tool management solution software that we have with Zoller.
Blasius is a family-owned business. We've been fabricating solid surface since '96. Started fabricating stone in 2005. We've had a lot of improvements over the last couple of years here. The tooling management is the biggest part of that. Before we integrated and started using the Zoller, our process was basically when an operator or someone saw a line in the profile or a bad profile, they would report it and we would dress it and put it back on the machine.
If you're not maintaining your tools, the edges are not going to come out to good quality, and you're going to spend a lot of time touching up that edge in hand fabrication. Tool management software solution will actually put the information at the operator's fingertips so that he can know when it's time to maintain those tools. He can anticipate a day or 2 days out of what he needs to get done, as opposed to trying to be reactive to the situation.
One of the biggest benefits has been the fact that it keeps track of everything. You can't forget about it. We have 6 CNCs with multiple profile sets on every CNC. You can forget about something sometimes. Now it's right in front of you. It's on a report. It's right in front of you on your screen. You can't avoid it. We're now able to maintain our tooling at a regular interval, and we're getting those intervals down so that we can get things before any problems happen. What we've learned already just by having the Zoller, we produce better profiles. By being on top of that, we get better wear time on our tooling. Our finishing department has to do less work to the tops, hence we can do more square footage per day.
Grand Quartz and Zoller are working together to get this information out to and put it in the hands of our customers. Customers have any questions on it or would like more information, they can go to our website or contact their sales reps.